Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and I am back with another video. This video is going to be a hair care product review because I do want to get started with the new year with reviewing natural hair care products because you guys have been requesting and asking me what I'm using and things of that nature. But I want to be 100% real here like I am all the time. For the past 3 weeks, I have been neglecting my hair. I have been traveling and doing some fun projects that you guys will see soon. So I was in Chicago and in New York, and then I got sick, and I just didn't have time to really do too much with my hair. So I am back trying some new products to kind of like get the moisture back in my hair and things of that nature because it is winter time and I'm just like, I need to get this hair back together. So this is not a sponsored video, okay? But TGIN did send me an email and was like, hey girl, you want to try some products? And I was like, yeah, absolutely, I'll try some products. And they sent me some products, and I have been seeing these products in Target for years, and I have been hearing great reviews about the product, but I have never just kind of went to pick it up myself because I've been overwhelmed with the product that I needed to use up, okay? Because the product junkie in me is like, girl, you don't need no more. Okay, so I was very grateful that they decided to send me these products to try out, okay? So I want to say thank you TGIN for sending me these products. So like I said, this is not sponsored. They're not telling me to do this video. They just sent it in a PR, okay? The products that TGIN sent me are the Miracle Repair Moisture line, okay? And I definitely needed some repair and some moisture because, girl, my hair has been through a lot. It has been through a lot. I would say it's been through a lot more than I have ever put my natural hair through. So I had a chance to try out these products, okay, and let's get into it. Let's just start off with the shampoo, okay? So this is the Miracle Repair Moisturizing Shampoo with black honey, coconut oil. Is it Avric Miel Noir? I'm sorry, I don't know how to say that. Like Huli de Niox de Coco. Is that how you say that? It says an intense hydrating shampoo for dry, damaged, and brittle hair. Yes, no sulfates, parabens, lanolin. Is that how you say that, girl? Petroleum, mineral oil, artificial colors, or animal testing. That's a good thing, animal testing. So yes, my hair has definitely been dry and it was feeling brittle, okay? So I feel like it's gonna take me probably another 2 weeks for my hair to feel like 100%, but I did use this shampoo and I absolutely love it. It's, for one, it smells really good. It smells so good. It smells really good, and it's not stripping. It's sulfate free, and I just really loved how it kind of lathered into my hair. And I also, when I was shampooing my hair, I felt like it was kind of like detangling in a way, and I felt the slip in my hair as I was shampooing. So I did use this product when I was freshly coming out of those braids. If y'all saw, the pictures in the previous video, I had some braids. So, I had a lot of product build up in my hair and things of that nature, and it was a bit dry. So, you know how you can have product build up and it be dry at the same time. So I did use this shampoo and it got rid of all of that, okay? My hair felt like normal when I was in the shower. My curls popped. That was the most important thing to me because I was like, because my hair has been through so much in the past 2 weeks, and it did. So this shampoo, I absolutely really like this shampoo, and it smells good, and I really like. I'm gonna get on to the other products too, but all of the products have the same smell, which I really like. It's like a berry, it's like a floral berry. It's like I don't know, girl, it smells delicious. It just smells so good. So the directions tell us: wet hair thoroughly, apply a liberal amount of Miracle RepaiRX moisturizing shampoo to your palms, distribute evenly throughout the hair and scalp, rinse well, shampoo a second time if needed to remove excess buildup, follow with Miracle RepaiRX. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. Is it RepaiRX Revitalizing Conditioner for extra deep conditioning, and then Miracle Deep Hydrating Mask. Now, I did not have the revitalizing conditioner. I was not sent that, so I do need to pick that up and try it out. So let me know if you guys have tried out that conditioner, because I didn't get a chance to. But I will say, with this overall shampoo, my hair did feel moisturized and strong at the same time. Also, I do want to add, because you know I do use oils, when I'm trying out a new product line, I do not add any extra oils or anything. I want to try out the products exactly how they're meant to be, so I use the entire line. Okay, so after I shampooed, I did follow up with a mask, because normally in the shower I'll shampoo my hair, then use a conditioner in the shower, and then follow up with a mask when I get out and deep condition that way. But I didn't have the conditioner, so I just went straight into the mask. So I used the deep hydrating hair mask. I like this. This stuff is good. This stuff is good. I like it a lot. I really love the consistency of this too. It's not like I wouldn't say a typical mask, because all masks are different, but when you think of a mask, you kind of think of like a thicker, like really thick consistency, which I really do like. But this actually has a nice smooth consistency, and it was able to coat each and every strand with little effort, and that's what I really like too. And as I was applying it, my hair definitely did kind of like, oh, thank you for putting this on me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I kind of felt my hair like coming back to life, like, oh yeah. So I really like this this hydrating mask. This is the bomb. So I did let this sit on my hair for about an hour, and then when I rinsed it out, felt great, felt absolutely amazing. So the directions tell you to apply this in sections, comb through to make sure it's evenly distributed through your hair. Of course, when I deep condition, I apply the conditioner into smaller sections. So I part my hair in 4 and then work from root to end, because my hair desperately needed a good mask to get my hair feeling normal again. So I did do that, and the directions say sit underneath the dryer for 10 to 15 minutes or leave on the hair for 35 minutes to an hour without heat, and then rinse out with warm water followed with a cool water rinse. So I did that, but I actually let my conditioner sit on, or the mask, I let it sit on for about an hour and a half. So that's what I did, and my hair felt really, really good. Now I am gonna say, I do notice, because it seems that my natural hair, now that I'm natural, I am a little coconut oil sensitive. I noticed, because coconut oil has protein in it, and in this it says black honey, coconut oil. And I know, if I'm correct, you can correct me if I'm wrong, honey is a form of like protein, and coconut oil is protein. So I do notice now that my hair is dry, it feels a little like some protein was, you know, done to my hair, which I'm not really, you know, I'm not tripping about. I'm okay with that, but I do feel like, okay, yeah, this has coconut oil in it, because I don't use coconut oil anything with my natural hair, because I just don't really prefer how it makes my hair feel. But this isn't to the point where it's like, oh my gosh, no, I can't use this. But I can tell, like, oh yeah, I can tell it's some, you know, some coconut oil in there once my hair has dried and things. But as I was detangling through my hair and proceeding to use the leave-in conditioner, I did notice that my hair did feel moisturized and strong at the same time. So I did use the leave-in conditioner. And I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. I feel like this is definitely going to be a staple of mine. Like this product kind of outshined all the other products within the line, for me at least, because I love leave-in conditioners. Only thing is, this is just a minor issue, the cap didn't work for me to pump. So I do enjoy that it has a pump, okay? I do enjoy that the shampoo has a pump for easy use in the shower. So I do appreciate that. And I really like the way this product feels. It's nice and lightweight, and I really like because I did the lock method, or the LCO method actually this time. It was nice and lightweight. It wasn't really too heavy or thick, and this smells absolutely amazing. Like, it smells so good. So I love this, and my hair detangled really nice when I was using this product to detangle my hair in sections. So what I did use this product and did a whole bunch of mini flat twists. Okay, so I did follow up with the curl food. Now this is actually a thick consistency. This is like really thick. Okay, it's like thick, and it says you can use it as like a moisturizer, like a every other day moisturizer on here, or to help define your two-strand twist. So the directions say here, use daily or every other day as needed. Apply a small amount to hands, rub together and work through hair. Can also be used as a setting cream to create soft, smooth, and shiny two-strand twists and twist outs. Now, I am gonna say that my hair doesn't feel as soft with this cream as my hair has felt with other products. Now, I'm thinking it also might be because my hair has been neglected for 3 weeks. And so your hair is not really, Megan, your hair probably ain't really right like it normally is. So my hair is soft, but it has kind of like a little bit of a, not crunchy, but not hard feel. It just feels kind of like, it's hard to explain. But I will say this is a really thick consistency. So if you chose to use this as a moisturizer, like, ooh girl, you're like, yeah, it's gonna, you know, withstand some cold weather. But for me, I don't know, I'm just kind of like still up in the air with this. I'm kind of not sure if I like it or if I don't like it. I'm not leaning more towards another. I did like how my hair felt when I was applying it, when my hair was damp, but now that my hair is dry, it just kind of feels, I don't know, it just feels not normal. And I think the not normalness is because my hair hasn't been treated the way I needed to be treating it within the past 3 weeks. So I'm still kind of up in the air about this one. I'm not really sure. But I will say that it did define my twist out. My twist out was very defined. But of course I like to have a little frizz with my curls and my two-strand twist. So this was good for that. I'm just not sure how I would like it for like a moisturizer on my hair right now. And lastly, so what I did was I used the leave-in, and then I followed up with the curl food, and then I sealed with the Miracle RepaiRX anti-breakage serum, and this has black honey and coconut oil. It says an intensive moisturizing serum that nourishes the scalp and strengthens dry, brittle, damaged hair. So this is a really nice lightweight oil if you do enjoy lightweight oils. I tend to like heavier oils on my hair, but I wasn't mad at this either because it did kind of seal in my hair when I was using it on my damp hair to do my two-strand twist. I'm not sure if this is something that I would grab for, like, you know, ooh, let me grab, you know, the Miracle serum. So I do actually kind of prefer like a thicker oil on my hair, like a Jamaican black castor oil, to seal my two-strand twist, or, you know, a grapeseed oil. But I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this. It says apply a dime-size amount of oil to help smooth the strands and lock in moisture. To use a hot oil treatment, warm oil in microwave for 30 seconds, allow to cool for 1 minute, apply oil to wet hair and cover with a shower cap for 25 minutes, rinse out and condition as usual. Now, I didn't see that at first. So I definitely could see how this will be a great hot oil treatment and a pre-poo treatment now after I'm using it, because it is on the thinner side in my opinion. So I have not tried this oil in that kind of way, but now I'm kind of interested in trying it out and seeing how that would work. But to seal in, I think for me, being that it's colder, I think I want something a bit more heavier. I think in the summer months, spring months, this will be great for my hair. And I absolutely do think too, since this oil is so lightweight, I think this will be great on a blowout, you know, kind of like to finish off your hair, or to kind of like add some oil to the ends when your hair is pressed out, because I do have fine hair, and I feel like this might be something I would go to when my hair is pressed out. Okay, so I'm not ruling this all the way out, but I feel like to seal in like a twist out or something like that, I'm gonna probably pass on this for that reason and stick to my Jamaican black castor oil or grapeseed oil, just something a little more heavier for me, you know, and probably try this on my hair when it's blown out. Now I will say also, I feel like it added kind of like a medium shine to my hair. I don't feel like this oil, you know, because the oils that I like to use, they kind of add an extra juiciness to my hair, and I don't feel like it did that for me. Unfortunately, it didn't do that for me, and like, you know, the juiciness that I kind of enjoy. But it did enough, okay? But I will say it smells good. So when I was done with everything with my hair, I smelt it in my hair, and it was a pleasant smell. It does have a strong fragrance. I will say that, but it wasn't like an annoying fragrance. Like I can tell, like if I were around somebody, like, that smells good. What's that in your hair? It smells delicious. It did smell like I got a little bit of the product on my hands. It smells good. It smells really, really good. But overall, I will say the great thing about these products, you do get a lot in here. You get a lot of product in these bottles, and a little bit does go a long way. A little bit went a long way with the leave-in conditioner. A little bit went a long way with the curl food. Okay, you don't need a whole bunch on your hands, because I did put a little too much. The first kind of like swoop or swipe out of the jar I did, I was like, oh, that's a little too much on that strand. Let me scale back. So I did notice I didn't need a whole bunch of product because I am heavy-handed. So I'm a heavy-handed girl. And the conditioner, I found that I didn't have to use a whole bunch of the conditioner to really evenly get it onto my hair. So I feel like these products will last me a little bit longer because of how it's concentrated in the texture of the products, and they really smooth out on the hair pretty well. But I do, of course, have my favorites out of here that I'm like, yes, I'm gonna just reach for these all the time. So the products that I like really dig, like I'm like, yes girl, try that. You know, I really like the deep hydrating hair mask, okay, because I love masks. Masks are my thing and conditioners are my thing, but I am interested to see how my hair would react if I did the extra step that I normally do, which is condition in the shower and then follow up with the mask. So I'm not sure what my results would be, but I do want to see how that is. But this alone worked really well for my hair, okay? The leave-in conditioner, this is bomb. This is bomb. I love this. Smells good. Spread nice and evenly on my hair and made my hair feel juicy, and my curls were absolutely popping. So I really like this, okay? And the moisturizing shampoo, like, this was bomb. I love this. I didn't have to use a lot of it for it to kind of like give me the nice lather that I want and need. Not to say that I just need my hair to be lathery up, you know, lathered up and things, but I like this. This is my, you know, friend. So those are the 3 products that I would recommend to you guys if you wanted to try out. As far as like, those were my favorites. The overall line is really nice, but of course out of the line I always have my favorites that I'm gonna probably mix and match with other products in my product junkie arsenal. So I do want to add that all the products have a really nice lightweight feel to them, because you know, like some natural hair products, they can kind of have a heavy greasy feel, and my hair doesn't feel heavy or greasy. I will say that my hair does feel good for the most part. It's soft. It is, you know, manageable. I do feel that for sure. It's easy to kind of like put my hands through, especially after using the mask. I will say that the mask really melted my hair and made it really easy to kind of like finger detangle in the shower and things like that. But all the products overall as a collective used together, my hair has a really nice lightweight feel. Only thing is, it's just I probably would prefer a heavier oil. That's about it, but I do enjoy the products. They're like really dope. I like them. So that is about it, you guys. Please let me know if you guys want to see more of these types of reviews of products that I recently just tried out and things of that nature. And of course, I will be doing an update of the products and how I kind of like them with other products, and put down your experience with using the TGIN products and what I should probably try next from the line, because I'll go to Target and pick it up, because I don't know why I haven't picked up the products to try out, you know, after seeing them so long. But other than that, I have so many products, girl. I have so many products that I need to use up before I start stocking up again. So let me know what you guys think about the products, and if you have tried this particular line, and let me know how you like it. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.